This video is on University of Mumbai's Competency Development Career Oriented Master's Degree Program in Emotional Intelligence and Human Relations, which has three industry oriented specializations: Learning and Development, Key Account Management, and Corporate Communication. Before going ahead with a brief on Competency Development Masters, let us first understand current reality and a need to do this kind of masters. Start your career after basic graduation. Most probably you will get an entry level administrative kind of jobs, but these jobs most probably are going to be taken over by machines in the artificial intelligence world in near future. So if you want to really build your career, you need to go into more creative and interesting work profile which only competency development master degree offers you. If you compare financially, the difference between you starting your career at a graduation level and you starting your career after a competency development masters is 1.5 crore rupees. You earn 1.5 crore rupees more when you start your career with competency development masters. If you see the current reality, especially during this particular pandemic time, 30% of the existing employees are already losing the jobs. So for the new entrants, opportunities are now much limited and many graduates are now going to face a year gap in their career or education. So instead of having that particular gap or starting a job which you do not like or having a very low salary, you should basically develop your skills and competencies during this recession, during this lean period, so that when industry will start growing in Q1 of 2022, you not only will get a job, but you will get a job of much higher salary because of your master's qualification. How you can secure your future, whether you are a fresher or working professional or career break professional, or you are aspiring for career change. You can secure your future by developing competencies which are needed in future. If you do any normal master's degree program, you basically get one degree certificate and you get a knowledge in any one domain or faculty only. Compared to that, a competency development masters offers you a combination of life skills development, management skills development, leadership skill development, and specialized competency development, along with 12 additional certificates which are included in the fee. So against a one degree certificate of any normal master degree, you get 13 certificates in a competency development master's program. The employment opportunities in any normal master program starts when you complete the master's program. Against that, in a competency development masters, you start working, you get employment from the first month of you taking admissions to competency development masters program. The life skills focus in any normal masters is very less. Against that, a competency development masters will not only develop your managerial and leadership and core domain knowledge expertise, but also it will develop you in emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, communication intelligence, neurolinguistic programming, train the trainer, digital marketing, and so many domains which are necessary for you to not only get a job but also flourish in your career. Let me share with you just on what are going to be the top professions during year 2020 and 2030. Presented information is a gist of variety of international and Indian research agencies and management consultancies surveys and research reports like Deloitte, FICCI, Frost & Sullivan, E&Y, as well as World Economic Forum. The top 4 professions in the next 1 or 2 decades will be learning and development, key account management, corporate communication, and life coaching. All these 4 career paths are high growing, high paying, and recession proof career paths. Learning and development industry in India in FY 2018-19 was rupees 7,500 crore. But in next 10 years till 2030, it will grow 20 times to rupees 150,000 crore, opening up many new opportunities in the domain. The key account management is one of the highest paid and highly respected professions in many industry segments, whether it is automotive, engineering, pharma, IT, media, and financial services sector. Corporate communication is again one of the high profile and highly paid jobs in the industry. Compared to all these three professions which are employment oriented, life coaching is basically entrepreneurship oriented, wherein you can start your own practice as a part time life coaching practice, earning around 10 lakh rupees per annum as a part time income. Taking cognizance of these international and Indian research and surveys, University of Mumbai in year 2017 has launched a competency development futuristic career oriented master's degree program, masters in emotional intelligence and human relations, which offers three specializations: learning and development, key account management, and corporate communication. These programs have been launched by University of Mumbai's GICED and Master My Life. The key features of this program is it is India's number one master degree which is a combination of life skills and management. It has been endorsed by global professionals from over 20 countries. And in this program, you start earning from the first month of you taking admission to this program. The program offers you 12 additional certificates and gives you global exposure with global employment opportunities. The environment, the learning ecosystem of this program is such that it is suitable for freshers as well as working professionals. You get 24/7 access to the learning portal wherein you can easily work while you learn. This is University of Mumbai's master's degree program, and this is an example of a University of Mumbai certificate. These are the 12 additional certificates what you get: cognitive neuroscience, emotional intelligence development, neurolinguistic programming, marketing management, HRM, digital media marketing, behavioral intelligence, fundamentals of finance, global cultural sensitivity, train the trainer, business acumen, and depending upon the specialization you will take, the last certificate is related to your own specialization. This competency development masters is very unique program in India, one of its kind, wherein an industry partner like Master My Life has joined hands with the University of Mumbai. Because we are industry partners, we have in-depth relationships with the industry, opening up many placement opportunities for the students at a national as well as international level. Again, Master My Life is India's first institute which has tied up, which has collaborated with a global placement management organization, Quotient Consultancy, who will help you in building your profile from the day one of you joining the program, enabling you to get a global placement in 14 months of time. Last year's placement data, the highest package was 10 lakh rupees for a fresher, and average package for a fresher was 5.5 lakh rupees. More than 100 global corporates come to campus for recruitment, and these corporates range from consultancy to manufacturing to pharma to engineering to hospitality to media, healthcare, BPO, and all kind of industry, because the competency development master degree program is suitable for each and every industry segment. There are only 40 seats available pan India, out of which only 10 have been left now. Program is going to start on 30th of October 2020, and the class sessions will be conducted between the duration of 2nd of November 2020 till 3rd week of December 2021. And from the month of January, if you are a fresher, you will get placement or if you are a working professional, surely you will be entitled to get a promotion. If you are seeking employment from the day one of this particular program, the Quotient Consultancy, our placement partner, will offer you employment within a 1 month of you joining the program. If you are having any financial constraint, there are many support available to you in the form of scholarship, in the form of part-time job, wherein your maximum fee, which is 5.2 lakh rupees, can be only 1.5 lakh rupees for the entire duration of the program, wherein there is a possibility that you get additional extra benefit of 2.6 lakh rupees if you win the 5-day challenge. That means if you win the 5-day challenge, actually this program will cost you nothing. If you are thinking about any time management issues, do not worry. The flexible learning 4.0 ecosystem has been designed for freshers, working professionals as well as entrepreneurs, wherein you can learn as per your convenience 24/7, any slot which is convenient for you. So now, what is the way ahead? Number one, you can book a call by sending a WhatsApp message on 93729 36961. I repeat, 93729 36961. Or you can book an online call through the mastermylifeedu.com by clicking on this particular link, mastermylifeedu.com/career-call. For any additional information, please visit website www.mastermylifeedu.com.